Hey guys, today is the day we're gonna go home.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah.
Pasok trip. GoPro yan ah.
Ha? GoPro? Hindi.
Hindi ba? Okay.
Yeah. The kids are settled already. Ready to see you. Oh, si mother pa pala. Oh.
Hi.
Bye guys. Yeah, Jerome, bye. Bye Jasper.
We'll see you again.
Bye again. Part 2.
Yeah, we'll definitely we'll go Yellowstone next year.
Yellowstone.
After their school.
After his school, we can
Yeah.
Okay, we can start looking for whatever maybe.
You want a plane ticket? You want me to look for
No,
plane
that's too
ticket?
early
For January?
Gusto ko agad i-secure ni Michelle eh.
No, kasi it's cheaper if you plan ahead of time for
Okay,
the
so by
ticket.
January, yeah.
So if I see one, actually if I see one that's like $100 or less,
Yeah.
do you want to get that?
Nagpaplana na kagad. Yellowstone daw.
Kung sure kayo.
Yeah. Yellowstone, ganun pala. Kasi ano yun eh,
So then we rent
may horn.
like a van
From the airport ulit.
Basta may gold.
May gold doon.
I'll be there.
Ay, mapakay ka na? Punta rin kaya? Ha?
Ilan taon na yung baby mo noon?
June.
June?
O di ano?
Ay, June.
9 months. 9 months.
Natutulog lang yung baby nun.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, you don't want him like one or something like that. This
Then
one
they're
is
running around. It's easy when you
carrying.
Mhm.
But it's up to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yellowstone, Tijuana, Target, that's what they've been talking about. Kuya Macman is gonna go road trip.
Maybe Mama will be our driver.
Hybrid.
Go road trip daw sila ni Ate Mari.
Oo.
Yun din daw.
Pag ano na lang, or we'll see if maybe we'll just fly from ano.
So it's less exhausted for you guys.
Yeah, so we'll just go to Wyoming.
From there to
Wyoming.
Seattle to Yellowstone, 8 hours.
8 hours sa amin yan.
8 hours out.
Yeah, we'll just meet there or something.
Yeah.
Why? Why you carrying?
Yeah, we might just
You're
do
not
that.
30.
So what we
You're
can do
young.
is look for Airbnb.
Yeah.
And then we'll do that there.
Yeah.
Probably the best way to do it.
Maganda.
And then you guys get a rental car there from the
Yeah, we'll just get rental car.
Mhm.
Okay. I'll start.
Ha?
May mudguard yung tumutuloy tubig. Ay, pababa.
Aircon ako, like, it goes up.
Eh, yung aircon yan?
The closer it is, it gets,
Yung aircon.
it's more expensive. But the shorter it is, it's like 90 something.
Ganun tulong.
Or 150.
Sa aircon niya.
Malakasin.
Kasi that's what I did to Mama Melly. It was like 6 months before she came. Like I got round trip like 150 something like that.
Mhm.
From Hawaii to Seattle.
Ha? Hindi ko alam ba't yan tumutulo.
Malaglag siguro yun, no? Pangin na. AC yan.
Tubig.
Sa aircon yan. Kasi malakas. Malakas yung AC.
Okay. Alright guys. Si Paders, padala nyo na lang.
Oh, same hina.
Uncle Ruben. Matuli kanto. Ha?
Madi.
Ako po.
Give it to 30, buddy!
Alright guys. Sarap.
Ang para inaw na naglingagin na.
Mama, this is 71, 60. 71, 80.
Ni siya nila muna magkanta. Pinasibusis na.
Nagpipiano sa Kuya Makmak daw kanina. Nagpipiano ni Kuya Makmak na tayo eh. Laing Kuya Makmak.
Magkanta ma.
Laing pa.
Di ba romanteso? Magkanta na. Nagdigdigo.
Hindi kang kataan na.
See
That's how it starts.
Alligator! So na tayong kataan. So kasi tumutik ang katawan ni baby. See you later, alligator. Kasi magmangod na. Okay, Dad.
Okay. Welcome to lang. Ingat ha. Thank you. Thank you for everything. My phone is right here. Okay guys, it's cold na already. Okay ka na dyan, Pader? Wait lang, huwag mo muna tanggalin, Pader. Tingnan ko muna yung pupunta natin.
Don't open the door to stranger.
Okay.
Baka masarwaan.
Doon na tayo sa may ano, sa Sacramento maghanap ng ano.
It is out?
Okay?
You wanna go all the way there?
Gutom ka na, Madar? Hindi ko inaayun yung gas natin. Dadating tayo doon ng 4.
Meron ba doon?
We'll figure out. Tingnan mo. Sa may land trap. Meron. Dami.
By Laguna West?
Hold on. Ako na, Beb.
Ito oh. Meron ako dito by the factory.
Ako na. Oh.
Stockton. Lagpas natin ng Stockton. Ito sobrang late na yun. Gutom na ata ko. Kakainin mo ba for lunch? Dinner na yung baby natin. Kasi mag-traffic naman ito. Para makapunta tayo dun. Anong oras na tayo makakarating?
Yeah, kasi kailangan maabutan natin ano. Maabutan natin ang
Rush hour.
Gas muna ako. Doon na. Abot naman eh. 3. Ano ba yung in-and-out malapit dito?
In-and-out malapit din o sa... Ay.
Kasi dyan lang ako magpapagas bago mag-i5. Okay guys, see you later.